Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. Clear my throat. I have no idea what's in here, but as per usual, we're going to find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Seriously, follow me. I think we're almost to 20,000 on Instagram. I've never really celebrated anything on Instagram, but thank you very much to everybody who has followed me. If we get to 20,000, we'll do something cool. Let's see. This was sent by Tyler, and I'm pretty sure I just had a conversation like 2 days ago with Tyler, and I was like, "Oh yeah, great!" And I was, legitimately excited when he reminded me what was coming, and then I forgot immediately. So, here we go. Oh, we got a couple of Kershaws here. Hang on. All right, this has been a Kershaw heavy month, and that's because I feel like I've neglected Kershaw knives on this channel over the last 6 months to a year. So there were a bunch I wanted to check out. Hi MC, sorry this took so long to get to you. Included in the box is the etc. etc. Use it any way you want or need to. Awesome, thanks. Also, I've included another knife that you can either keep for your collection or use it as a giveaway knife. That's extremely nice. It's so nice when people do that. You guys don't have to do that, but I'm just shocked when people are just, here's a knife, you can give it away. That's awesome, and I will absolutely give it away. It's just a token of my appreciation for all the awesome content that I can count on day after day. Thank you for all that you do for the knife community, and keep up the great work. Thanks. Thank you, Tyler. Super nice. All right, let's take a look. Let me open this up and make sure that I open up the right one first. Let's get these. We got a big boy, and we got a smaller boy. Hang on, let me take a look here. Okay, so this is the one that he wants back, the one that he sent for review, and I'm trying to, maybe I should open this side. I don't want to destroy the box. Yeah, okay, so this is the Kershaw bracket, which I believe, it's assisted. So this is a different version. I handled the Kershaw static cleaver, which was a smaller manual knife. Now I'm wondering, does this have? It has the detent ball. Does it have a detent hole? No, it doesn't. Sorry. You can see there's a. It's weird. There's a detent hole. What purpose does that hole? Explain to me, guys. First time I've ever handled this. There's a detent hole, but it clearly is not on the detent path. The detent ball is riding on the path. The reason I'm checking is because people are wondering, can this knife be de-assisted? It doesn't look like it. But what purpose does this indentation have in the blade that looks exactly like a detent hole that's just hovering off in the ether, right? Interesting. In any case, we have a huge cutout here and a big old gap right there, and that's always kind of an eyesore. Truthfully, assisted knives, not my favorite thing in the whole world, but this is a larger, it feels like a larger static cleaver. Look at that, they put jimping up there on the top. I am certain that this is available, and that it is not very expensive, because we're looking at 8CR13 MOV and a non-US made Kershaw. In-house design though. If this does interest you, I'll make sure and link it right down below. But I wanted to take a look at it because I've got the static here, and I just wanted to compare. And there's lots of Kershaw knives that I just have not stopped to take a look at yet. So there we go. And then this is the one that he apparently is donating to the channel. I think it's just a little guy. Come on now. There we go. What do we got here? Oh, hey, awesome. That's cool. Little teeny tiny automatic knife, which is, I'm so glad that it is teeny tiny. Which launch is this? Wow, that thing fires hard. Which launch is it? In any case, I will make sure and link it. But if I have never given away an auto because of the nature of auto laws. But I will find a way to do that and make sure that, anybody who enters the giveaway for this understands that it has to be legal to own an automatic knife in their area. But the fact that it is such a short blade will make that much easier for the winner, considering I generally restrict at least mailing from me to the initial person to a Kona shipping address. Of course, people who live outside the United States are welcome to enter and win my giveaways, as long as I have a friend, family member, or somebody like that I can ship to first, and they can work it out how to get it to that other person. But of course, with this being an automatic knife, in order to enter and win, you actually have to live in an area where it is legal to own this stuff, because I'm not going to ship something if it's not legal. I'm not gonna dip my toes into that. But this is super cool, and it's also one of the launch knives that I have not reviewed. So yeah, I will absolutely review this. I'm really shocked at the power. Wait. Yeah, so it doesn't look like it, but this has a lot of power for a teeny tiny little knife. Wow, cool. So this is absolutely made in the United States, definitely. These Kershaw launch knives tend to range anywhere from about $80 to about $120, so I'm guessing that's the range, probably on the lower end of that. CPM 154, excellent steel, right? And then these will be 6061 T6 aluminum. Look at that. That's kind of neat. Just adding a little bit of sauce there to that seam construction with the aluminum. I kind of like that. Okay, guys, short and sweet. That's pretty much all I've got for you today. Thanks again, Tyler. Very, very generous. Thanks for sending in a knife for review and donating one as a giveaway knife. Thank you. Please make sure you follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this short little unboxing, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.